Hi, I'm Munson Chauvin for New Orleans Walks, and we're in uptown New Orleans, and here's something really cool. It's the Prytania Theatre. This theater opened in 1915, and it's the only single-screen theater in the state of Louisiana. And they still play the blockbuster movies here, but they also play a lot of classics. And this is really one of these real movie theaters that you used to go to. You've got a nice little ticket window, and you can get your popcorn. And this little place, they even have books and games here, and entranceways into the cinema. So next time you're in New Orleans, get a bucket of popcorn and do something that maybe you haven't done in a long time. Come to the Prytania Theater. I'm Munson Chauvin for New Orleans Walks. You can go to neworleanswalks.tours for more information.